Hello there guys, welcome back to your channel Let's Talk Crypto. This is Ali and today I want to talk about Bitcoin and the crypto market, and the prices actually are going up, guys. We are just going up for the past 2 days. We started a really good week with 1.3 billion 1.3 trillion dollars, and we are now almost 1.5 trillion. This is a good sign. I will explain it later on, but today I want to talk about the pure multiplier, guys, and I want to talk about the realized losses for Bitcoin. And actually this is a high record. I will explain what does it mean for Bitcoin and the Bitcoin market overall, and also we're gonna see the stable coins on the wallets, in the wallets, actually in the exchanges, and this is something is gonna give you an insight information about what's going on behind the scene. So let's start with Bitcoin, guys. If you can see that Bitcoin actually going up, and it did break the 35,000, 36, and now we are trading on the 36 and 200. This is a good sign because we are actually trading over the first resistance lines. And also one of the coins actually that pumped in the past 2 days was ICP, Internet Computer, and we did talk about it. We talked about it 3 days ago, and the price was actually $28. I did say that I'm gonna start accumulate that ICP because the 99% dump in the price is actually a good opportunity for me as a trader, because I understand the ICP and the ecosystem of the coin. It's not actually a token, it's a coin, it's actual coin. You can build apps, and you can use it as governance token, and you can use it also to deploy your smart contract. I think it's gonna take time, more time, for people to realize that ICP is actually a good project. We will talk about it and the trend in this video, but let me just show you some on-chain data. So this is the net realized profit and losses for Bitcoin, and you can see that actually in the past days, guys, Bitcoin hit a new record high realized losses after the sell off, the May sell off, as you can see. And the last time Bitcoin hit a high record, it was in March 2020, when the COVID-19 happened, the sell off or the flash crash for COVID-19. And from there, after the crash, guys, we just pumped, and Bitcoin went from 4,000 to 62,000. And you can see now actually there is the realized losses hit a new record high. What does it mean for Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency? Actually, for Bitcoin, it's short term, it's not a good sign for people who lost money, but in the long term, guys, it's healthy and it's good for the Bitcoin trend. So let's go now and see the pure multiplier. There is two boxes, guys. There is the red and there is the green. The red is where was the most profit for selling Bitcoin, and here is the most profit for buying Bitcoin. What does it mean? So if you buy Bitcoin at these levels or inside the green box, it means that you are gonna have the maximum profit by selling Bitcoin in the next rally, when the next time it goes up, the next time it reaches to the red box. So if you can see, every time we touch the green box, it was only 4 times, guys, in Bitcoin history, and it happened in the end of the bear market in 2011. Then from there we bumped to 2013 bull market, then we dumped again, and you can see that it was the 2015, and you can see that we reached the green box. And then from there we the famous 2017 bull market, when Bitcoin touched and reached the almost $19,000, $20,000. And then from there we started the bear market. The Bitcoin price reached 3,500, and we did enter the green box. And people who was accumulating and buying Bitcoin from that time, they actually made a lot of profit selling on the 14,000. And you can see we did touch it for the last time in the 2020 sell off or the flash crash. In 2020 it was COVID flash crash, and you can see we touched it, and then we went all the way to 62,000, and we now entering this box one more time. If you can see, this is the 5th time. So this means, guys, whoever gonna accumulate Bitcoin, this is not a financial advice, guys, I'm just explaining to you. I think whoever gonna buy Bitcoin from now, from these levels, does not matter what's gonna happen in the short term. The long term, guys, the long term is gonna be healthy. So if you are a swing trader, or if you are an investor, I think this is a good time and good place for a swing trader or for an investor to start buying Bitcoin. Does not not matter the volatility of the price. And on the short terms, I think long term is gonna be the best place to buy Bitcoin. I think in the long term is gonna be a good profit if you sell anywhere near this box, anywhere actually near this point. After that point, if we enter the red box, is gonna be a huge profit. So we don't know where Bitcoin will go, but starting accumulating Bitcoin at these levels, historically it was actually a good place and a good level to buy. So I think this is bullish for Bitcoin. This is actually a bullish sign for Bitcoin. So let's go and see the stable coins on the exchanges. This is an on-chain data. We are using CryptoQuant, and if you can see all stable coins on all exchanges reserve, this is a good sign. It will explain to you how much stable coins in the wallets on the exchanges. This is a good sign. Why? Because it tells you that there is actually a lot of stable coins waiting for a good level or good place to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. We are actually now on $17 billion, on the $17 billion. When Bitcoin was on the 60,000, we was actually on $11 billion. And you can see that we are now on the $17 billion. This means that a lot of stable or fiat guys waiting to buy back cryptocurrencies. This is good, actually. This is good, guys. It means that if the stable coins level will keep just going down, it means that people are actually buying cryptocurrencies, and I think the price will just go up. And what we want to see, guys, in the next days and the next weeks, we want to see the market cap going up. This is really important for us because it means that more money or fresh money is entering the market and entering cryptocurrency. So you have to choose wisely the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in, because I think if the market will play really how I think we are entering a really good time coming for cryptocurrencies. Short time, maybe we can see corrections, we can see volatility, maybe we're gonna see another sell-off. I don't really know, but I think long term, I think this is good for cryptocurrencies. I think whoever is gonna accumulate at these levels, he's gonna be in profit in the next coming months, from all the on-chain data I see. We will actually do an analysis for crypto, for the chart when we reach the 47,000. This is my first weekly resistance lines, guys. I think Bitcoin is gonna have a lot of issues at these levels because this is the weekly levels. If you can see that we still are in the accumulating phase at these levels, if you can see, this is the same box actually where people are buying Bitcoin. I want to see breaking in these levels, at these levels, and then a break of the 41,000. This will give a lot of confidence for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and I think we're gonna just keep going up from here up to the 47,000, and then we are gonna touch a really strong resistance at these levels. If you can see, it was a really good support levels at this point, so it will turn actually to resistance. So if we break the 47, I think there's a chance for Bitcoin to break the 60,000, but let's see what's going to happen in the next days. So our eyes must be on the market cap. We have to follow the market cap, and yeah, I think things are looking good, guys. It's not looking bad actually for Bitcoin, but we have to keep going. We have to keep going to make sure that the market is actually entering a really healthy uptrend. So yeah, this is everything, guys. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin and on the top 100 coins. I think there is a lot of coins that you can still have a chance to enter. Me personally, I'm Bitcoin, ICP, Shiba. This are my these are my main cryptocurrencies I'm investing in. I think Shiba, there is I think we're gonna see more price going up if the market will just becoming with let's say that if the market just keep going up and we can see a healthy trend for Bitcoin, I think there is a lot of room for Shiba to go up as well. So yeah, I will be updating you guys on a daily basis, so please just follow me, subscribe, and yeah, I will be uploading videos on my YouTube channel on a daily basis. See you in the next one. Peace out.